I welcome you to our today's lecture, whereby we are going to discuss about sociological theories of education. There are various theories that try to explain. Theory number one, we have structural functional to consensus theory. Number two, we have conflict theory. Number three, we have symbolic interactionalism theory. Number four, we have labeling theory. Educational sociologists utilize this theory to examine groups influence individual learners. Let us go to our first theory, structural functional consensus theory, whereby it has various steps that try to explain it. Step number one, emphasis on the contributions made by the individuals to the society. Two, it draws its explanatory power from biological working of an organism. 3. Explain how society is maintained in a state of consensus while avoiding conflict. 4. Compare society to the human body and various institutions that function in harmony. 5. Different parts of the body perform different functions which aim to satisfy basic needs of an organism. Each institution has a specific and different function that depend upon one another. Society is held together by value of consensus. This is an agreement according to the goals of a system and means to achieve them. Every social structure of the society has a purpose. Various roles should be assigned to a qualified people, e.g., teachers and doctors. Society is bound by goals known to all regardless of their status. Effective control of destructive behavior must be put in place. People must recognize legitimate authority and obey willingly. Implication of the functional theory to education. Education is an integral and recognized social institution structure to carry out a specialized function. It provides a suitable way of finding out whether certain structures such as the education organization and learning facilities are fulfilling their work to both themselves and the education institution comprehensively. It explains why society selects and trains high performers such as experts who serve it adequately and thus serve to maintain the whole. Lastly, it implies how why society is akin to giving out rewards like jobs and high social status using academic qualifications only. Criticisms of functionalism theory. It is preoccupied with the maintenance of social stability at the expense of innovation. Second, human beings are approval seekers and resent over integrated view of the society. Society rather than individuals are said to have needs and motivation and requirements. It eliminates conflict as a possible alternative to social order. Society and culture are not seen as being shaped by individuals. It emphasizes opposition among individuals, groups, or social structures. It explains the difference by individuals and groups in terms of their access to and ability to use resources in the society. The resources include materials, benefit, wealth, privileges, status, and knowledge. And then lastly, we have the functions of conflict theory. It prevents stagnation of society. Number two, it stimulates interest and curiosity. Thirdly, it prevents open war and social disintegration. The process brings out personal and social change. Lastly, helps to strengthen existing norms. Thank you all for your time.